I smelled it earlier. Where we at? Yo, somebody say roll that shit like that shit smoking. Come on, say roll that shit like that shit smoking. Roll that shit like that shit smoking. With so much drama in the LBC. Got my heart beating, double G, but I keep coming up with hits like every single day. May I take a little song from the G's and make a few hits as I breeze through. Oh boy, help me out, sing along. I got pieces in the living room, hitting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. Take that back real quick. Take that back. Let me tell y'all something real quick. My little brother Tupac Shakur, he introduced me to this kid from Brooklyn named Biggie Smalls, right? And let me tell you something. If you ever know somebody and meet them, never let no outside motherfuckers get involved with y'all friendship. That'll fuck it up all the time. If you got a problem with one of your boys, you sit down and talk to him first. Don't let everybody else get in y'all fucking business. You understand it? Because when you do that, things like stuff happens where both of them probably would still be here if it wasn't for bullshit niggas like this one out here. Where that little motherfucker keep popping shit and gets ducked down. Sit your bitch ass back. You took that rag off your face, but you can put my drawers on your motherfucking chin, nigga. Kiss my ass. Bring back my nigga Biggie, bitch ass nigga.